Chicken steaks with creamy spaghetti. Make your lunch quick, easy, and flavorful. With this recipe, follow the simple steps and enjoy a comforting meal with your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Add thick yogurt, ginger garlic paste, black pepper powder, salt, soy sauce, and teriyaki sauce in a mixing bowl. Blend all the ingredients well using a whisk. Add the sliced chicken fillets into the paste, marinate well, and refrigerate for 1 hour. After 1 hour of marination, grease the grill pan with oil. Cook the chicken fillet for 5 minutes on each side, over medium-high flame. Add the spaghetti to boiling water. Add salt, cook until soft. Heat oil or butter. Add half cup of chopped onion and cook until soft. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook lightly. Pour in 1 liter milk and cook until thick. When the sauce starts to thicken, add some spices for good taste. Ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, oregano, and black pepper powder. Mix well. When the spices are well mixed, add 500 ml cooking cream and stir. Turn off the flame and the spaghetti and fold it well into the sauce. Cut the chicken steaks into slices. Delicious lunch is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.
If you don't have time to chop fresh vegetables, make this delicious recipe with frozen spinach for your next meal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Heat oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Now add tomato puree. Salt, red chili powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. Cook until the oil separates from the masala. Now add the frozen spinach and cook until it defrosts in the gravy, then cover with the lid. Add diced potatoes, and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Until potatoes are tender and spinach blends well with the masala. Finally add chopped green chilies and sliced ginger. Mix gently and turn off the heat. Serve hot with paratha or naan. Thanks for watching.